Okay, we slayed. Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Bree and welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video, if you can already tell by the title, I am going to be doing a easy beginner's makeup tutorial because personally I'm a beginner and I just want to kind of go really in depth about my makeup routine because it's just really quick and easy. First things first, I will start off by saying it would be a good idea to invest in a makeup mirror if you're getting into makeup. It has a lot of different settings where like you can get all up close and like you can see your pores. Okay, so first things first, pin your hair back. Don't want to get it in your face. And I'm not a pro by any means. So if you know what you're doing more than me, like definitely comment
what I'm doing wrong.
But the first thing that I do is go in with some concealer. I got this from the Sephora like 15 and under area and it works super good. So what I do with my concealer, which I don't even know if this is right, but I know people put it under their eyes. It kind of just brightens up your face, makes you look more awake, which I definitely need that right now. And then I just kind of put it on like my problem areas. So like where I have pimples, just to kind of conceal them, obviously.
Cause you're fucking ugly!
I put them right here, or like I usually get red right around like my nose. So that is what I do first. Okay, what do I do after my concealer? So I'm looking a little bare, looking a little naked. That's okay, because the next thing I do is add some blush. I use just this little random palette, but I just use this darker pink. I use this packed foundation brush, which is for foundation. Also, I don't do foundation on a daily basis. And then get a smile, and I just do it right here. Not too much. I don't want to look like a clown, but sometimes I do, but you know. But speaking of highlight, so after I do that, I go ahead and put the highlighter. I use this Hollywood Flawless filter by Charlotte Tilbury. Got it from the Sephora website as well. And I just dab it on my upper cheeks and my nose. But highlight is definitely my favorite makeup item. Gives me a little glow. Okay, so then next is mascara. Let me tell you, telescopic mascara changed my life. Whenever I try to curl my lashes, it just doesn't work either. So it was like a real struggle for me to find something that worked for my lashes that kind of lifted them up and made them look really good. So one day I was at my friend's at a sleepover and she did my makeup and she used telescopic and I was like familiar with it. Oh fuck. I had wanted to get it, but I wasn't sure if it actually worked, and then she put it on me and I was like, fuck, like I need this in my life. So I immediately bought them. I bought both of them. That's the story. Careful, SpongeBob. Anyways, so mascara is done. And then last but not least is some lipstick. I'm currently have Aquaphor on my lips right now. I love Aquaphor. But I would just take like and dab it. I just like want to tint my lips a little bit, and so okay, we slayed. Anyways, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Leave me any tips down below if I did anything wrong, because I know I probably just did, but it's whatever. It works for me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.